Android is secretly keeping a record of exactly which apps are reading your text messages right now. And yes, that includes the verification codes your bank sends you. You didn't open them. You never knowingly allowed them. Some of these apps were even pre-installed on your phone. Today I'm going to show you exactly where this hidden record is stored and how to shut it down in just a few minutes. This is step by step so you can pause anytime. Let's begin. First, open your phone, Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Wait for it to load. Inside, look for more privacy settings and tap on it. Next, tap Permission Manager. Now scroll down until you find SMS and tap it. This is the list of every app that has permission to read your text messages. But here's the problem. This list is not complete. Now look at the top right corner and tap the three dots menu. Select Show System Apps. Now watch closely. The list becomes much bigger. These are hidden system apps running in the background that most users never see or check. Now scroll slowly through the list. Under each app, you will see one of two things, either not allowed or accessed in past 24 hours. That second one is the important part. That is your receipt. It means that app has recently accessed your text messages, not permission, actual usage. If it's not your default messaging app or system phone service, you need to pay attention. Now here is what you do. Tap on any app that shows accessed in past 24 hours. Open its permissions, then tap Don't Allow for SMS access. That's it. The app will still work normally, but it will no longer be able to read your text messages. Now go back and repeat this for every suspicious app in the list. Take your time and go one by one. Now the final and most important step. Security agencies like CISA and the FBI have warned that SMS is not safe for verification codes anymore. The reason is simple. SMS is not encrypted. That means codes can potentially be intercepted before they even reach your phone. So here is what I recommend you do immediately. Go to your most important accounts like your bank and your email and turn off SMS verification. Replace it with an authenticator app instead, like Google Authenticator or any trusted authentication app. Once you do this, even if an app reads your SMS, it becomes useless. So let's recap quickly. You checked hidden SMS access. You revealed system apps. You removed dangerous permissions, and you upgraded your account security. Now tell me in the comments how many apps showed accessed in past 24 hours on your phone. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more privacy tips. Thank you.